Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own pallets of grass or lawn to help fill in the dead spots. So it's actually really simple. You just need some plastic containers, some topsoil or potting soil if you prefer, and some grass seed. What you do is take the plastic containers and put approximately inch of dirt in the bottom of them, and make sure that you save one empty container, and that's going to be your transfer container, and that is going to be the key to making this work. Once you put the dirt in, sprinkle your seeds on it. It really doesn't matter your area, you're going to have grasses that will grow and grasses that won't, so using this exact seed is not going to be as important. This one is available in Texas, may not be available in the north. This could very well be a weed in the north for all I know. But anyway, once you've got the seeds in there, you want to take your dirt and just cover it up. You can add a starter fertilizer if you want. I typically find that it's not necessary when you're planting like this. Then you just want to keep that moist until the grass starts to grow. When the grass is at least a ½ inch long, maybe longer, that's when you'll transfer it. And so if that's formed a nice solid piece, which it may or may not have, maybe I'll just turn it over into your hand, hold it, and then plant it down. If not, that's where this extra box comes in. All you do is place it in there, flip it over, and then when you pull that piece off, you'll have your sod right here, and you'll be able to transfer it to the ground. So it'll hold it as a solid piece to wherever you need to get to. Alright, these have sprouted enough to be transplanted now. It's a little bit better view. So if you have a grass like Bermuda or St. Augustine in there that kind of snakes its way through, you might be able to just pick this up, flip it over into your hand, and hold the little grass pallet. But if you have a grass like this that's individual strands, probably if you try to do that, it's just going to all fall apart. This is where having the empty one comes in handy. Just flip it over. And take that to where you're wanting to transplant, and then flip it back over, and it should be good to go. So for example, here I have a bare patch. And I'll just water that, and it should grow great. So the reason for doing it in the pallets instead of just planting the seeds out here is mainly just convenience. You can keep the pallets in a secure location where they won't get hit with rain or whatever, because obviously if the pallet floods, then all your seeds can die. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you.